So, let's start na, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you for joining us today. My team and I are thrilled to present our tracking management system. This system has been designed specifically for companies like CGB Tracking Services Corporation, who value efficiency and accuracy in your daily operation. This solution designed to simplify your data management for trucks and drivers, clients, and deliveries while providing reports to support your operations. So in this system, we have two features. First is the data entry feature, and second is the reporting feature. To begin with, let me show you the login form. So this is the login form. We created a built-in username and password. The username is admin, while the password is password123. If we try to log in that specific credential, it will be redirected into admin. Let me try to log in using the built-in credentials. So this is the dashboard itself, the admin board. In this side, you will see the dashboard, truck and drivers, clients, deliveries, and reports. Now first is the dashboard. If you click this dashboard, it will display the following information about total trucks, total drivers, total clients, and total deliveries. And we also have here the truck running status, where you can see the following drivers with their active status or their availability. We also have here the search functionality. If ever you have multiple drivers, and then you are looking for that specific driver, you can use the search functionality to look that specific driver. Next is we have the truck and drivers. So this page is actually the data entry features we have, because this would be the page where you add the following truck and drivers. And if you try to click this add button, it will have reflected a form which you will be using for you to add the following truck information and driver information. And if you try to add this, for example, the truck number TR001, for model, let's say Puso, and for plate number, let's say UUL991. For expire date, let me try to put some random dates here. And for the driver, let me put Felipe Nazareno. And for the status, let me put as active. And once you save this following data, it will be reflected on this table. And then you also have here the edit functionality. If ever you have mistype or incorrect inputs, so you can update it. And then if ever the following driver is not active, or maybe it is not part of your company anymore, you can also try to delete the following driver. And if ever you do have a lot of drivers, you can have the search functionality over here to find that specific driver. And we also have here the view method, where you can view all the truck transaction. So this would be the table for truck transaction. You will see here the dimension of the container van, full object, container number, the client, driver, the details of the cargo, and the location of the delivery. We have here the return date and the status itself. And but the following data here was actually came from the delivery page. But before we come into that delivery page, let me introduce to you the next page, or I mean the clients. So clients is also one of the data entry features we have in this system. Same process with the truck and drivers. We have here the add button, and then it will show you the form where you can add the following client information. And then once saved, this will be the output itself. I mean, it will show you the details you have input. And then we have also here the edit functionality where you can edit the following client details. And once updated, it will also be updated here. And then once you delete the specific client, you can also delete the following clients, and it will have this alert message or alert notification where if you click the OK, it will be successfully deleted. And then if ever you do have a lot of clients, you can try the search functionality to look that specific client. Now we have also here the view function where the same with the truck and driver, you can view the following deliveries being made by that specific clients. Yeah, and now let's proceed to the delivery. So this would be the delivery page. So in this page, you will have this delivery tab, pending tab, on the way tab, and delivered tab. And now for the delivery tab, you can have here the add delivery, or which is also the feature of data entry feature. Now if you click this following button, it will have the form being reflected on the screen where you will have the form for adding deliveries. We have here the DO number, pull out date, container number, dimension, trucks, clients, assigned driver, plate number, then the cargo details. We also have here the place of delivery, return date, and the status itself, and we also have here the tracking fee. Now for the status, once you save it into the pending, all the delivery with the status of pending will be shown in the pending tab. Now if you wanted to have it on the way status, all the deliveries with the on the way status will also be reflected in the on the way tab, as well as for the delivered. It will also, if the status is delivered, then all the delivered status will be reflected on the delivered tab as well. Now for each delivery details, we incorporated two buttons here in the action column, where this icon is for editing or updating the delivery status of each delivery. And then we have here the edit functionality. If you do have misspell, or you assign a wrong driver, or you save it into a different client, you can also use the update to be able to update the following delivery information. If ever you wanted to delete the following delivery information, we also have here the delete button, and we have here the search functionality. If you're looking to that specific delivery, you can search it by typing here in the search bar. And so the process of this interface was actually like, if you're trying to add a delivery, and then if that specific delivery is not yet being confirmed, it will be saved into a pending tab. And then if the delivery is currently trying to pull out in the truck, the container port, you can update the following status to the on the way. And then if the following delivery is delivered, you can also update the following status to delivered itself. So the process of this page is actually like you're trying to filter every deliveries to be able to update them and then put them in the to put them all into delivered tab, which is a very good idea, because if ever the owner of this company will be looking for the deliveries were currently pending, you will have the pending tab to show them all the pending deliveries. And if ever the current delivery is on the way to the delivery or warehouses, or you will have the full details of delivery which is being on the way, and as well as for the delivered deliveries. So next is the delivery reports. The reports. So this is the reports itself. We have here the delivery report tab, client history tab, and truck transaction history tab. Now if you view this delivery report tab, you will show all the deliveries being input in our delivery, all the transactions itself, any kind of statuses itself, if it is delivered or on the way or it's pending itself. Now if you wanted to print these whole delivery reports, you have here the print report. If you click this print report, you will have here the overview of the delivery reports to be print. And as well as for the client history, this would be the client history itself. We have since we added two clients lately, which is Allen Cargo and Transworld. All the deliveries we added in our delivery with that specific client will be rendered in each rows for that specific client. We have here the Allen Cargo, and this would be its delivery being made by that client. Now if you added more deliveries with the same client, it will also be rendered here as well as for the Transworld. All the deliveries being made by Transworld will be rendered here, and we also have here the total fee of the client. If you wanted to print this specific client history, you also have here the print report as well, which if you wanted to have an overview, this would be the final overview of the client report itself. Now for the truck transaction history tab, this would be the format itself. We have here the truck plate number of the truck and the current deliveries being made by that truck, since we added one driver, and then that one driver is currently assigned into this delivery. All the assigned all the deliveries being used by that truck will be put here. And we also have here the search functionality. If you do have a lot of trucks, and you can try to search the following data. Now the things that makes beautiful on this system is that it has a date range. You have the date, select a date range, where this functionality where you can filter each delivery depending on what you want. For example, you wanted to filter all the delivery this week, so you can drag this date up to Saturday, as well as if you wanted by month, you can also have here by month. And then if ever you wanted by 15 days, you can also have here the 15 days as well. During our interview, you told us that your biggest challenge is to wait for the delivery and then confirm the following delivery if it's accurate. And you will finally record it again in Excel format. Aside from that, you also told us that it comes in accessing and reviewing the following delivery, it is also difficult for you because you will be looking for each file of the following deliveries. So by this system, you will no longer be waiting for reports to each delivery because you will be the one who will keep tracks of each delivery. Aside from that, it has a report where few clicks can do, and then you will have the overall reports for each delivery and print the following information without looking for that specific document in your computer. Would be all, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have about the system.